Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the enable to process your requests error in Amazon Shopping app in 2026. Seeing the enable to process your requests in Amazon Shopping app can be frustrating, especially during checkouts. And in 2026, this error is often caused by app glitches, session timeouts, or temporary system issues. So let's start by following these few simple steps to fix this issue. Now before we start, the Amazon Shopping app is both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download it via the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Just by typing in Amazon Shopping app, you're going to click on install in the apps page, and then you're going to open it and make sure you're logging with your accounts. After that, you can start shopping. Now to fix the enable to process your request error, the first thing you want to do is to refresh the app or page. We're going to close the Amazon app completely, just like this. Going to open the recent app tab, and then you're going to access the Amazon app again, or you can refresh the browser page if you're using the browser. Now you can also do here. The second thing is to log out and log back in. Session errors are common, and logging out resets your connection to Amazon servers. So go to your profile icon. You're going to click on the profile icon in the bottom. Then you're going to click on your accounts, and then you're going to click on sign out. And after that, you're going to log back in. You can also try to clear cache if you're using an Android. You're going to go to your device settings, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the app section, where you're going to look for the Amazon Shopping app. You're going to find it here by alphabetical order. Just search for the app that starts with an A. Once you find the Amazon Shopping app, you're going to access its storage settings and click on clear cache. It's usually in the bottom left corner, right corner. And clear the cache. As you can see here, I'm going to click on storage, and you can click on the broom icon. You can also check the internet stability. You can switch by dropping this bar right here. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and choose the one that is faster and more reliable. The most enabled to process your request errors are temporary. Refreshing your sessions or app usually fixes the issue quickly in Amazon Shopping app. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.